Sorry guys, I've had this listing for 6 months and this is the first time that we actually have the opportunity to tour this property. It constantly stays rented and once you see the location, you'll understand why. Hi everyone, I'm Ever Alcaraz at Boardwalk Realty and today we're touring Nayri, Unit 205, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, located in the heart of the Romantic Zone, 1 block from the beach for $380,000 USD. Follow me. And here in the kitchen, we have a nice sized double sink, which is perfect for those who love to wash dishes. I love the size of the full-size fridge. This is perfect for a condo. I mean, usually you would see this in a house, but no. So you have a gas stove top, perfect. You have an oven, you have a dishwasher, and tons of cabinetry for your utensils and dishes. Here we have a full-size stackable laundry. This is perfect, washer and dryer, which is great for Vallarta. It makes it very convenient. We make our way to El Baño, and I love how they combine this counter. I love the color of this countertop, but looks easy to clean, spacious enough to handle your business and take a shower. No, great. You have the exhaust fan. I love that feature. And we make our way into the living room. I love the open layout of this condo. I mean, it just combines, you know, perfect for living. This is perfect for a bachelor pad. This is perfect for a couple. And these high ceilings just give it that spacious feel, along with all the natural daylight and lighting in the ceiling. Here we make our way to the bedroom. And I love this roller. This is a cool feature. I would probably just turn this around and watch TV at night, or maybe just, you know, from the couch. But you have tons of space in the closet. You have a safe, perfect for those who desire to maybe rent the unit out. And the bedroom, we have the access door to the patio. Pretty cool. I like this. But I also like this feature. I love these accordion doors. I mean, this is so cool. Ladies and gentlemen, check this out. I mean, I would probably leave these open all the time just to get that nice breeze coming in through the living room. This completely changes your condo. It completely changes your home. You combine the exterior with the interior, so perfect place to come out and have a cup of coffee. And voila, we even have a peekaboo of the famous tile park, Lázaro Cárdenas. And for those of you who are familiar with Romantic Zone, know about the farmers markets on Saturdays. So great place to go and shop, just 1 block from the beach. And some of the resort amenities that this complex offers are 2 rooftop pools, a gym that faces out into the ocean, which is perfect for those who love to see the view of the ocean as they run on the treadmill, or maybe just go up on the rooftop and lounge and read a book. So definitely want to check those out. Living room, I love this living room. Perfect for, you know, having company or maybe even hosting, I think. And here we are on the rooftop. There's no one here, so we were able to do a sneak peek, but I just want to point out, ladies and gentlemen, the famous Los Arcos. You can see them from this rooftop, and you're like 1 block from the beach, which is perfect. They have access to tons of restaurants, art galleries, nightlife entertainment, cafes, perfect for strolling on the beach. Ladies and gentlemen, I can't wait to see you in Puerto Vallarta because this could be your home.